Geogebra is a free mathematics software. It's very similar to the program Geometry Sketchpad. You can find it at www.geogebra.org. Once you get to that page, you'll have the option of downloading. If you click on the download button, there's two ways you can run the program. The first is by clicking the web start, and this will actually have you download the software to your computer. The other way you can run it is through the applet start, and that opens the program in an internet browser. Once you open Geogebra, you will see two different sections on the screen. The right side is your drawing pad, and the left side is an algebraic representation of what is occurring on the drawing pad. The area between the drawing pad and the algebra window can be adjusted by moving the gray slider bar. Just click on the bar and drag either left or right, depending on what section you would like to make larger. Along the top of the screen, you will see a variety of tools. To activate a tool, click on the tool. If you would like more options, each tool contains a toolbox under it. Click on the arrow, and other options become available. To change the tool that's featured, click on the tool you would like, and it becomes the icon at the top. You do not have to click on the toolbox every time. If the tool is already featured, just click on that box and you're ready to use it. For example, I clicked on the polygon figure. If you click each point, you can make a polygon. If you do not like the polygon that you made, over on the right side of the screen at the top is an undo button. You can undo everything that you have just done. Also, if you notice at the top over here, you will see a short description of what the tool you have selected does. There's also a redo button if you would like to redo anything that you undo. Before graphing an equation, I like to turn on the grid lines. To do that, go to View, hover on the grid, and then click Grid. Once I have the grid lines on, I also like to move the origin to the center of my page. That's just a personal preference. But to move your drawing area, click on the four-sided arrow, then click anywhere inside of your drawing region and drag the coordinate grid to the location you like it, and then click to release it. To actually graph the equation, go to the input bar at the bottom of the screen and type the equation you would like to graph. For example, y equals 2x plus 3. Then hit enter, and it graphs the equation. If you would like to change the equation, you can go to your tab under Free Objects and double click. Make sure it isn't highlighted, and I could easily change it to 2x minus 3. Hit enter, and it moves the line to the appropriate location. You can also graph multiple lines at one time. So if you'd like to graph another line to compare them, just go back to your input bar and hit y equals, type in your new equation, negative 2x plus 3. Hit enter. Now, if you would like to be able to see a difference between the lines, if you go over to either line, right click on it, and go to Object Properties, this new window pops up. Go to Color, and from here you can pick any color to change the line to. And also, if you click on Style, you can change the thickness of the line. Hit Close, and now you see the difference between line B and line A. If you'd like to graph an equation with exponents, simply use the caret button. For example, y equals x caret squared, hit enter, and you see the parabola has come up. Go ahead and change the color on that so you can easily view it. Right click on it, Object Properties, Color. Now each of my three equations has a different color. I hope you have found this screencast informative. For more help, go to geogebra.org, click on the Help tab, and a variety of resources will become available.